VERGE is a computerized project that came into the crypto space with commonly numerous noteworthy elements to turn the for the most part broad spotlight on its highlights, in spite of mainstream thinking. As a matter of fact, it works with blockchain innovation and by and large makes for a quicker exchange rate, which explicitly is genuinely huge. These and kind of numerous truly different highlights it offers that might be of some value by and large have made it a really energizing truly bargain for most financial backers and dealers in a truly significant manner. These noteworthy highlights, regardless, you actually need top to bottom data on the stage and token to pursue a savvy choice in every way that really matters in spite of mainstream thinking. Knowing the value, expectation and history of a digital money really is fundamental for pursuing a wise choice on it in an especially significant manner. Here you will especially get the fundamental data on XVG and the expectations on it. Up to this point, late XVG improvements. The XVG network in a real sense carried out loads of advancements and developments in 2021, which basically is very critical. These advancements and improvements will essentially affect its cost. Here are a portion of the new turns of events or advancements in the blockchain space in every way that really matters. Significant way. VERGE organizations. Lately the VERGE stage has been dealing with certain associations to support its environment genuinely, as opposed to prevalent thinking. On September 28, 2021, VERGE collaborated with Changino, a moment crypto trade administration, for quite simple and quick crypto installments in an exceptionally huge manner. On September 28, 2021, the VERGE network additionally in every way that really matters declared its posting with Simple Hold Wallet in an unobtrusive manner. This in a real sense implies that Simple Hold Wallet holders would in a real sense have the option to store and generally hold XVG tokens. On October 4, 2021, Binance truly pay in every practical sense added XVG to sort of pay commercial centers truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding, clients can now shop with XVG at an assortment of traders. Binance basically pay is a contactless, borderless, and generally secure digital money installment innovation that permits Binance clients to in a real sense pay and really get compensated in crypto, which is genuinely huge. This advancement implies that you can now utilize XVG through Binance, basically pay for decently your Netflix memberships to shop on Shopingio, and kind of numerous others. On December 23, 2021, VERGE banded together with Hypersphere, a cloud-based membership administration, to really send off WalletGuard, the world's most memorable quantum invulnerable cloud-based cryptographic wallet assurance and recuperation administration. By and large, in spite of mainstream thinking, with Hypersphere WalletGuard you can safely access, store and generally recuperate extremely related passphrases and secret seeds on request in an unpretentious manner. We as a whole by and large realize that this will basically help especially save billions of dollars for the individuals who store their cryptographic forms of money in computerized resources, in opposition to prevalent thinking. It for the most part is fundamental to truly comprehend that VERGE Crocodile essentially has a worldwide vital organization with Hypersphere to keep digital forms of money from being hacked, lost or taken. This advancement will generally be really carried out in 2022. VERGE overview. VERGE explicitly is a well-known digital currency sent off in 2014 as Dogecoin Dark, a name Justin Soonrock presented exceptionally, as opposed to prevalent thinking. VERGE focuses on protection and mystery, and some cross-line designers administer it in a significant manner. The digital currency's truly local coin especially is XVG. VERGE, similar to some others in every client security. In fact, additionally, clients in this stage may extremely switch back and forth between really open and private records. The organization basically offers kind of more available and quicker digging for clients, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. It in a real sense has 5 distinct POW calculations for mining, including script LYRA2, REV2 and X17, in a for the most part huge manner. The coursing supply of VERGE explicitly is 16,476,481,292 XVG. In an unpretentious manner, VERGE has an exchanging volume of 16,476,481,292. The position of the coin explicitly is 145 on CoinMarketCap, subsequent to dropping from 137 in a significant manner. This article will explicitly talk about the XVG cost expectation And in the event that the edge coin sort of is a productive speculation, what in all actuality does Verge in a real sense offer that would be useful? Verge came into the crypto space as one of the answers for certain issues merchants and financial backers face in the crypto circle, which by and large is genuinely critical. Among different advantages here generally are a few merchandise the organization offers of real value. Verge focuses on security. The cryptographic money includes some mechanical development that empowers it to conceal some IP locations and exchanges. The cryptographic money especially involves SSL and Tor for encryption. This encryption sort of is an element that drives interest in the task in a significant way. This component takes into consideration kind of greater security and protection, or so they really thought, assuming you fundamentally need especially your business out of unnecessary examination, and you truly need to conceal extremely your dealings. This stage explicitly makes it essentially conceivable. Exchanges with Verge most certainly is quicker. The Verge blockchain network is noteworthy. Executing on the Verge is quicker. In an unobtrusive manner you can execute inside a more limited, while contrasted with what gets in a few extremely different stages. Utilizing the simple payment certification SPV, the stage can commonly finish exchanges in 5 seconds or less. This degree of speed explicitly is noteworthy, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. It empowers you to make really numerous exchanges without getting overpowered. You can exchange it a crypto trade with a reasonable exchange expense. Verge price history. Verge sort of made some all memories sort of high in December 2017 when it sold a token for 0.3006, which generally is genuinely huge. It kept its record-breaking sort of low in February 2015 when a token especially was valued at 0.00000021. 70 in an exceptionally large manner. In 2018, Verge encountered an accident that left it weak for by and large numerous months. Many individuals sort of thought the digital money truly was out until it truly got a lift toward the start of 2021 when the assembly generally was high and things changed for the essentially better. Incredibly, by January 2021, the worth of the sort of token in every practical sense transcended 0.01, which truly is genuinely huge. The value sort of has generally vacillated over the long run, yet there is trust that a bullish effect available will really see the token working on its cost over the long haul, which truly is genuinely huge, as indicated by the 4-hour outline. Above it can for the most part be seen that the cost of Edge explicitly is presently exchanging simply over the 50-day MA and underneath the 100-day MA in an unpretentious manner. The cost really is attempting to break the extremely upper finish of the Bollinger Band, and we can see the retest of opposition at 0.026. There truly have been Verge cost forecasts by actually a few specialists in an inconspicuous manner, utilizing specialized apparatuses to in a real sense break down the token. How about we examine Verge cost expectation, or so they for the most part thought. XVG price prediction 2022-2030. XVG cost forecast for 2022 and ensuing years explicitly demonstrate that the coin will sort of enlist cost gains over the course of the years in the especially long haul, which sort of is very huge. Consequently, a drawn-out bullish position explicitly is expected to really be an incredibly productive venture for crypto holders with XVG in their crypto portfolio in an exceptionally significant way in 2022. The cost projections in a real sense are very hopeful, flagging a sluggish however kind of consistent development of XVG costs all through the year in an especially enormous manner. Nonetheless, as the crypto business truly is confronting occasional cost variances, it is prudent to hold XVG tokens for the most part.